Hello everyone, let's code day 4 Python coding challenge. Here we have to write a Python functions to check whether a string is pangram or not. So let's understand what is pangram. A pangram is a sentence containing every letter of the alphabet. Means if a sentence contains all the letters from the alphabet, then that sentence will be a pangram. In pangram string, we can ignore the cases of the sentence. For this we will follow these steps. Initially, we will pass the string to the functions. After that, we will create a empty list. After that, we will create a for loop to insert each alphabet to the empty list. For that, we will use char function used to print character of ASCII value. Then we will use the replace method to remove the spaces from the input string and convert it into the lower. After that, we will convert the step 4 output into the list and then also sort them in alphabetical order. If our alphabetical order list and the converted list is same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. These are the various concepts which we will use in our code. That is name 1. Name is a built-in variable which evaluates the name of the current model. Means if we print a name variable in current model, then it will print as a name. But if we call the function, call this is pangram function within another file, then it will print the name of the first file. After that, list is a group of element which can include within braces and it can be changeable. Char function is used to print the character of ASCII value. Then we will use the lower function used to convert the case of the character into the lower case. Then replace method is used to replace a particular value. Then sorted method is used to sort the value. So let's build our logic. Here I take name variable main module. Then here I write a print statement and call the is Pangram functions with this input string. I have take two string. Let's build our logic. Take one empty list. I will name as alphabet. After that, I will add all the letters of alphabet into this empty list. For that, I will use one for loop for I in range of 97 to 123. Actually, this is the ASCII value of lowercase letter from A to Z. After that, I will add all the alphabet into this empty list alphabet. For that, I will write alphabet then plus equals to chr of I. What chr method do? It will convert this ASCII value into the alphabet and then by using the shorthand assignment operator, we will add that particular character into this list. After that, we will create another list to add all the alphabet into that list. So I will name as so let's follow the steps. Replace the braces from the input string. So for replace, we will use the replace method here. we have to remove the paces from there, so we will end with empty. So what replacement will do? It will remove the paces from entire sentence. After that we have to convert it into a lower case. For that we will use lower function. After that, once all the alphabets are converted into lowercase, we have to remove the duplicates from it, so we will use the set method, because we know that set only allows unique elements. After that we will convert this set into the list. We are converting here list because we have to compare this list, means str list, with the alphabet list. We have converted it into the list. After that we will sort it. By using the sorted method, we can sort this list. After that, we will compare this alphabet with this str list. If both are equal, then we will return true, otherwise false. Double equals to str. This str list contains all the alphabet from the input string, and this alphabet contains all the lowercase character from the A to Z. If both are equal, then return true. If both are not equals, then by default it will return false. So this is our logic. Let's check our output. So this is our output of first string, that is true because it contains all the character. It contains all the character from A to Z. Here some character are missing, so it is written false.